This is Preacher recording. See this guy right here in front of me? He's dead meat. Hey! You're on my team. We ready?
Yeah. Turn that back on for a second.
It is on.
Oh.
Yeah, here. All right, ladies.
Bad sportsmanship right there.
Which way you want to go, Yellow? Blue's going down the center.
Okay, we'll go right.
Well, you wouldn't decide. I gave you the option. Everybody down the center. Game on when we hit the trees.
Wind my mag now.
Yeah, you better wind your mag now's right. This could get ugly real quick.
God, I'm glad these are waterproof.
You and me both. I love these Black Hawk boots, man. I just hate getting them all messy like this.
Yeah, I got your face.
Takes forever to get them cleaned back up. Yo. Really?
Yeah. He looks like he's 90 years old.
Oh man.
I just got a spot that got wet in my shoes.
Really? Let's go get them, guys. Come on. They're all there together. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Woo! Hit! 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 Medic!
Hey, right here.
Okay. I forgot to use a medic. Awesome, dude. I'm back in now, guys. Whoa, where's that? Whoa, I see where that's at. Whoa, I see out the window, out the window, out the window. See that one coming up behind Doc? There's one coming up behind. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Watch that one up behind Doc there. Coming up, right behind the tree. See him?
No.
See him right behind the tree, right behind Toad Vine.
Oh, he's got his rag out. No.
Is he hit now?
All right.
He's hit?
Okay, I'm moving up to the next bunker.
All right, let me get a mag in before you do that, dude. How's it going?
That's game.
That's game?
Boom.
All right, you're looking at the backside of Shackleford. Shackleford's going. I'm following Shackleford. Hi, ladies. Is that Jess? That's Doc. You got him. Doc. Yeah, it's this camera here. You got Doc. Okay. Zeef is going clear around on the backside trail. Whoa. Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, let's go this way. Okay. There we go. Let's get into this elf bracket here. Yeah, baby. Oh, here we go, right down here. Okay, here we Dwayne, we got one that's working up the trail here. Zeef is over there, but I don't know how far over there he is.
Hit that person way back there, but he was he just moved. But that's okay.
Right out. I'm afraid this is my, best gun. I'm gonna go home and BBs are dropping like 50 feet.
Oh,
You got a
really?
blow dryer at the house?
Yeah.
Take it apart and put the blow
Yeah,
dryer.
right. That's what I'll do. Anyway, y'all have a good day.
All right,
Alright,
bro.
you too,
Glad
man.
you got to come
Good
out,
game.
Doc. Zeef, you still alive? Okay, yeah, we got one. Ducky. Ducky, we gotta get Zeef in. He's dead. Over here. Over here, Ducky. Ducky, this way. Oh, hit! Hit! I'm hit! Okay. You going after Zeef? Okay. Yeah, there he is. Hold up, Ducky. Scuba. One straight down the trail. Did he call that hit?
You can get behind this cover, some of those sticks and shit laying around. Get behind that. Got a clear line of sight to all these people milling around this.
Okay, is there anybody over here though? Else? Was he the only one?
I think he's the only one.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, there he is. Whoa. Oh, I got you. Oh, hit! Hit! Good shot.